The bearing of B from A is 70 degrees and the bearing of C from B is 100 degrees. The distance from A to B is the same as B to C. Determine the bearing of A from C. So according to the question, the bearing of B from A is 70 degrees. So that means this would be 70 degrees and this is pointing all north. Okay, and then they're saying the bearing of C from B is 100 degrees. So from B it is 100 degrees, so that would mean this angle is 100 degrees. So if I can put some names to these lines that are pointing north, so if I can call them D, and of course they're all pointing north, but just give it a name, D, E, F. It's easier to say which angle, give the angles a name. So the bearing of B from A, we've done that, and the bearing of C from B is also done. Then we need the distance from A to B. A to B is the same as the distance from B to C. Determine the bearing of A from C. So from C, determine, so this is what we need to find out. What is this angle? So that's what we need to find. So for that we start with angle ABE. Now that would be 180 minus 70. So angle ABE would equal 180 minus 70, that equals 110 degrees, and that's because AF is parallel to BE. AF is parallel to BE, and the angles are co-interior angles. So that would be 110 degrees. So the angle ABE is 110 degrees. So with the similar reasoning, angle BCD would be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degrees. Of course they're all degrees, and the reasoning is similar. So here BE is parallel to CD, and co-interior angles, these angles are co-interior angles, and therefore if we look at in triangle ABC, angle ABC would be 360 minus 110 plus 100, that is 360 minus 210 degrees, and that is 150 degrees, and that's because angle around a point is 360 degrees. So now triangle ABC is isosceles, and therefore angle BAC equals angle BCA, and that would equal 180 minus 150 divided by 2, and that is 30 divided by 2 is 15 degrees. So this is 15 degrees, and this angle would also be 15 degrees. So now we can easily find out what angle DCA, the reflex angle DCA is. So we can find therefore angle DCA, which is the reflex angle, would be 360 degrees minus 80 plus 15. And that is equal to 360 degrees minus 595 degrees, and that is 5, this is 5, 6, 15, and that is 265 degrees. So the bearing of A from C is 265 degrees.